My little nature girl. Are you inspecting all that grass and making sure it's okay? Yeah. That stick is a very important tool to make sure that the dirt is exactly as it should be. Yep. That's right. Inspector Earth. Eliana. Making sure things are all kosher. One grain of dirt at a time. Okay, we have to save this sample. This is an important sample. Okay. Time to really look deep into that grass now. What do you got there?
Yeah?
Oh, another sample. Okay, yeah. It's falling.
Hi.
Okay, thank you.
Mama.
Thank you. Yeah. Uh-oh. Got that? Okay. And making sure that stick that grew out of the tree is strong. So big. Come on. She's upset that the support stick for this tree is not all the way up. She's gonna write a report on that. She's saying it should be like this one. But is it in all right? Very thorough inspection, Ellie. You're very good at your job. What do you have to say about all this? Oh, she's hard at work. Are you hard at work? Ouch. She's getting deep into the wildlife. Ellie, what do you have to say for yourself about all this? Miss? What do you think? Yeah, it's a pretty scientific explanation of all that. I don't even think I can spell that. Really? Can you spell that for me?
Yeah.
Okay, waiting. So in conclusion, how do you think this park is doing with its nature and wildlife? Is it good? Does it need work? All right. Yeah, okay. Water time, water break. Love you, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.